Well, a home security camera has captured a meteorite slamming into a homeowner's walkway. We've seen videos like this before, but this one includes what's believed to be the first clear audio of a meteorite strike ever recorded. Take a listen. And that was it. What? The video was captured on Canada's Prince Edward Island. The meteorite left a small dent in the walkway. Later, the rock was confirmed to be a space rock. Homeowner says he feels lucky to be alive because just minutes earlier he had been standing in that same spot where the meteorite hit. Did you expect it to be louder?
Yeah, that was a little anticlimactic.
I know it was.
If
Me too.
we're being honest.
Yeah, okay.
Being honest,
well, we really built it up.
Yeah, we did.
And then it was like hail.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry
anyway.
we let you down.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.